would rather sell her soul than to give up the good life, the car, the apartment, and go back to Katlehong. Now Gabrielle is pimping her to this Mzwakhe guy, and she's willing to do the one-night stand just to keep the lavish life. Now Ishmael buying Bishop a car has caused Irao because Sfisto is not taking it. Ngala Umaga Ishmael is also shaken. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Genesis. Wendy has moved into Bumi's apartment and they've left Umaruna home alone. Wendy seems like she's regretting leaving Umaruna alone, that she even went to see how she's doing. Umaruna was like, no, Gishapu mama, Gishapu, I'm okay. But now she's enjoying the good life because Bumi has arranged them a spa treatment, nails, facials and all that. And promising her, the next thing I'll be buying a car, and mention Kuri busy Bumi, as she's trying by all means to make sure that she gets her mom everything that Maruna could not get her, because Maruna is the one that has been providing all along. So now that Upi's Mutulikigaba feels like now she can provide her mom with that life. But when it's not okay, we can just see what she misses Umaruna. Gabriel brings gifts to Mpume, saying that he's going to meet up with Umzwakhe to do damage control about what Maruna did. Le have because of Umaruna no Bonko. Was offering to go with him, but he's like, no, I'll be fine, I'll handle him alone. And says, Umpumi, in 6 months, if things go well, you might have your own mansion and what. Umpumi is buying this thing, these dreams that Gabriel is selling her. The next thing, Gabriel is waked up and saying, how can he ask this of him? It's better they give up the lavish life they used to poverty. Tell me, what is it that he wants? We just give him whatever he wants. There's no way that we're going back to poverty. This man utufuna a one-night stand. Limang, Luena, ufuna one-night stand now. Ati jwang, because this guy does not even know me. Unyaka one-night stand lina jwang asantsibi. Gabriel gives up some story. Vele is always envious of him, always wants what he has. Handy is the one that's pimping Bumi to this guy, saying that because since Umaruna did not sleep with this guy, and now he's saying that he's pimping Bumi, saying that Umaruna has a sister. Now Bumi, because she does not want to give up the lavish life, the car, the apartment that Gabriel is providing, she says that she's going to do it. But Gabriel was like, no, there's no way I'm letting my future wife do this. The fact that Bumi believes that Gabriel would actually marry her is absurd, because Gabriel is just using her to get his business flourishing. Now Umpumi is willing to do it. Imagine. And then now Ishmael bought Bishop a car, a brand new big machine, a beast. And now internet is going on about how Bishop has a cult. There's no way that a singer would just buy you a car like that. Bishop utwele man uloyiwe. Fistos was like, hi, uloyiwe lo mfana. There's no way. Udlisiwe, uthakathiwe. Let's go, man. Let's go get that car. Sambe somsiza. Fistos no boyki. They go there. Amfundisi. They look at the car. They're like, hey, please go get the car. Sambela. I know ukuthi awuziyenzi udlisiwe uloyiwe. Ishmael, like, what are you guys doing here? Hambanla, what are you doing here? They think, no, understand, man. Get the cars, let's leave. Aphomo Bishop Nokuskazwaka, they're like, what is it that you're doing to Ishmael? First, he gave you 40K. Now he's buying you a brand new car. There's no way, man. Muruta kwata, rising the Lobana, Marawa no, even if pastor was swearing, when I'm fundis were fake. The next thing Umfundisi was so angry, I said, you need to leave or else I'm going to call the police. And then they ended up leaving. Ngapha Ishmael is worried, saying maybe he needs to go live and clear the air, but the girlfriend is like, no, don't do it. You're just going to cause more damage than good. And then Umaga Ishmael is listening to the radio and hears that Ishmael bought a car for the bishop. She couldn't contain herself. She called him saying, why would you buy a car for Bishop? She's forgotten because she's the one that abandoned Ishmael and didn't raise him. Now she wants to control Ishmael and like. Also, does Ishmael have his own car if he went and bought Umfundisi Imoto? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.